Hey guys, I will show you how to fix Netflix is not working on your Redmi Note 5 Pro. Show you the detail of my device, so it will confirm that I'm making this tutorial on this mobile phone. So here's the device detail, Redmi Note 5 Pro. So if you see on Play Store for the name of Netflix, just search it. Then you can see there's no app of Netflix. So here's another app, Get Apps. This is like a Play Store given by the Xiaomi, and you just need to search Netflix here. Now you can see that here's the Netflix app. Here's also update of this app, and this is already installed in my phone. You just need to install this on your device. So I will show you. So yeah, now you can see that, and I already subscribed this package for the mobile 199, and now you can see any video.